Ever wondered how to unlock the captivating world of slow-motion video with your Canon EOS R10? First, power on your Canon EOS R10 and rotate the mode dial to the movie recording setting. This is crucial for accessing the video functionalities. Next, press the menu button on the back of your camera. This will open up the main menu system for configuration. Using the directional pad, navigate to the first tab, which typically resembles a camera icon, and then scroll down to select Movie Rec Quality. Within Movie Rec Quality, find and select the 1920x180120p option. The 120p indicates 120 frames per second, which is key for excellent slow motion. Once you select 120p, your camera will automatically switch to a high frame rate mode, often indicated by a specific icon on the screen, letting you know you're ready to capture incredible slow motion. With these settings applied, your Canon EOS R10 will record at 120 frames per second, allowing you to play back your footage at a dramatically reduced speed for that cinematic, detailed slow motion effect. Now you're equipped to add incredible dramatic flair and highlight intricate details in your videos. Experiment with different subjects and watch your footage transform. Press the shutter button to start recording and capture the world in stunning slow motion. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Canon EOS R10 tutorials.